Pre-makeup ta khamdaya pawbing. Tangkhul naga long with President Queer David K. Shimena Sahira. Parliamentary Secretaries Ngapam Kuyada MLA Strada Kanili disqualify Sakavai Kaboje Governor na Mamiyami Tura. Morning week Kakhanang Hapta Mayonda Kalejili Ima Tangkhul Hupvanalang Rumi Kvai DNL na Kayak Shiena Bodale. Lake Yang Thor, Ajay the Tangkhul Express we Pao Okcharphi Chahong na Pamidale, Pao being Mesaina Nanangrumsa. Tangkhul Naga long with President Queer David K. Shimena Sahira. TNL we midterm poll Ayasada President Ngapam Wivang David K. Shimeli Zingumadi Wivang Kapangag Haina. TNL President Ngapam Wivang midterm poll election Gasajali David K. Shimrena Ngamreshang Tuikar Anina Ningda Khanmet Samgapanghi David K. Shimrena Shagatum Hangpangada Madi Kala Ngamreshang Tuikarna Shaka Tumrada Madi da Sambhangam David K. Shimrehi late Masoro K. Shimrewi Naumera Jingai Nauna Kala Awi Zingumna Hangshini da Kanina Chia Parliamentary Secretaries Ngapam Kuyada MLA Strada Kanili disqualify Sakavai Kaboji State Way Governor La Ganesana Mamiyami Tura. Congress MLA Didi Thaisina Petition Thagasangjili MLA Bingji Parliamentary Secretaries Offices of Profit Ngapam Singada Athumli disqualify Sami Haulu da Kapona. Article 191 Razingni Provision Kami Atishura MLA Bingjili Maram Juivana disqualify Masabai Manada Governor Jina Hang. Hangdak lay MLA Strada Kanijia Leshangthem Susindro Maite Nahakpam Indrajit Lorembam Rameshwar Maite Thokjom Sadhya Prata Singh Heikam Dingo Singh Dr. Sabam Ranjan Singh Sebam Sabash Chandra Singh Kongkham Robindra Singh, K. Leshio, Kashim Bashum, Awangbo Niumai Kala, Ashad Uddin Athumli, Parliamentary Secretaries 2017 Gum Mayo March Kajang Kabangasang Najia. Athumui Post G, Office of Profit Nagji Hangda, Congress MLA Didi Thaisina Supreme Court Li 2018 Gum Athumli, disqualify Salu Kaji Thagasangna. Maramhi Election Commission of India na yangda Thego Khuiji Ajugum Tharau Kajang Miga Haina. Election Commission of India nala MLA Strada Khaniwi favorably Twitak Tami Hai Kasana Ka EC we Twitak Ji defunct Sagahai Ayin Khani Shijin Laga Katana Kaji Hilahang. Aja Hontang Tarik Mati Thang Konya Kuichnang Ra Mijam Bingli Indian Army na Shongrimda Sadat Kahai Juivang Naga Ngalay Apam Gajivali Morning Week Kakhanang Hapta Mayonda Kalejili Ima Tangkhul Hupvanala Seha Sakhami Enang Soda Ngurumi Kwai Tangkhul Richum now Psychorally TNL na Kayagashi na Podale Kakhanang Hapta Kamionji Konyak Students Union na Mikshok Atishuda Konyak now Bingena Mon Lake Richum now Bingna Ajahon Tarik Shiniena Hopokta Trada Gutum Ainatanga Week of the Morning Observe Sara Gajina Konyak Union na Hapta Kaji Mon District Pond Ngasara da Ngahot Kahajali Konyak Students Union nala Kakadom Gasana Kala Kum Gajida December Kayonwi Tarik Matiena Pangahi Black Day the Observe Sara Gajila Konyak Union na declare Sahira Eastern Nagaland People's Organization Abamli Ashi Tamsak Takhangsak Malay Lumira the 2007 we Eastern Nagaland People's Organization Declaration li Violet Kasawi Wang Indian Forces li Cooperation Mamimura Gajila Konyak Union na Jishat Haira Ajuwi Hapta ka Kaknang Pongshokda Pond Sadak Lehili Military Forces la Patrolling Parties Mazadlu Gajila Konyak Union na Hangmatin Gahaina Jia Tangkhul Shinao Long Nala Konyak we Konyak Now Bingwe Kaknang Hapta Jiling Rumda Long Jiwi Office li Pilan Gazik Kanga Haira ADC Bill 2021 G at Samna communalized saya gji kangleba kanbalup KKL na phen haira KKL na khang controversial kasa hill areas committee PLG at samna tribal versus non-tribal issue on sakdalaida at samli mukhamya phongshoka Manipur Legislative Assembly Special Session li PLG ngzekmi khwai hill areas committee na podalai khaji speaker jina tuita khuigi gjina economic blockades la strong arm tactics shijin laga khirang sagra majipai manada KKL na hanga PLW Maram Hiwang tribal legislator Ping outer member of parliament Zangda India we president li Vahaira kha president na thumli key advice Mikhala athumna mung hang manada KKL na hanga Article 371C gala 1972 we presidential order na authorized Saghai Hill Areas Committee we maramle separate scheme of administration khamayama zanglak manada kangleiba kanbalup jina hanga Ayin Jili Khamiva, Hill Areas we interest, safeguard Sakavai Himana, Kali Khanida administration Kangadei we Mazangmanada KKL na hanga. Kala Autonomous District Councils Katharli Yang Sangkhavai, Executive Officer Haimiluda Kabojiva, Chief Secretary Kapungwak Ngadeida Aka, Tambak Vakwi Ngadeida Aka Haimilu Gajiena Ngai kala G India we constitution na mamaya kabai otna da KKL na hanga 6 schedule li hill areas zang mi khawai demand kasajiva katha haukala gajila lupjina khanghan sai kala developmental works wivang fund kami senabadili liza khai la RDI activist madili death threat kami maramli at samna kyuwang kikhaka mugashok kala da KKL na ngahana Ajagajang HAC member Sakhavai Sanghai Kasa Mayday MLA Bingchili Kushok Kahaiji Speaker Kemjan na Shoik Haina Speaker Jina Mayday MLA Spingjui HAC membership Mukushok Mila Shambat Supreme Court Li refer Sagi Gijina da KKL na hanga La membership na Kushok Kami Jila Speaker Li pressure Milaga Kasana Jia Kala ADC Bill 2021 Maram Hila Ngalai Hui highest seat of judiciary na Tuidak Tagi Gijina da Kangleba Kanbalop na hanga Security forces na civilians li kaptat kahai oding wi ochot jili makhamia phongshokta Northeast Students Organization nesoina All Assam Students Union na Guwahati li sit in protest sahaida Northeast we Chief Minister Saikorana Kokhasada Armed Forces Special Powers Act li hi kushok khawai nganingang roklu gji hi nesona pohaira Nesoli All Manipur Students Union, Khasi Students Union, Naga Students Federation, Mizo Zirlai Paul, All Arunachal Pradesh Students Union, Tripura Students Federation, Kala, Karo Students Union Kazangna. Long now being Jina, Ijijawe Apamli, Jikata seat in demonstration Sangrok Haira, Kala, Oding we Ochot Kayon Maklari Jumnauli, Kapkathat mi Bingjili, Shongran Perlu, Kala, Aspahi Itumwi Apamina Kushok Haulu Gaji, Bongrok Haira. Oding Monwi, Ochot Chiwena Aspa Kushok Hauluda, Meghalaya, Nagaland, Kala, Mizoram CM Bing na Panglagay na Bongrok Talailaga, Assam we Chief Minister, Northeast Democratic Alliance we convener La Sadaklay, Sarbananda Sonowal na Maram Hili Kiwang Kasainaka Pamhaukalada Neso Advisor, Sumajal Padacharya na Kanghansai. Armed Forces Special Powers Act hi Northeast Apamwe na Mukushok Mirang Lakai na dangda Kala civilians Sagathada Pingjili Tandi Mamirang Lakai na dangda Neso na Thanda Agitation Savafrajia Manipur Lila Coordinating Committee on Manipur Integrity Gogomi Wyazingli Civil Society Organization being na Aya seat in protest Sahaira Protest Kasajili Mawan Saghaya Pingwivang Minute Kani Jingri Kahaidam Muyon Ngorok Haira Seat in protest G Kaishambat Imphal West Lisada CSO Kamdaya Bingla Vazanga Chia Northeast India Wayna Armed Forces Special Powers Act G Kushok Mi Haulu Gajila Gogo Mijina Union Shorkarli Pohaira Coordinating Committee on Manipur Integrity na Northeast YSO Bingli Ngushikta Aspahi Repel Samikhwai Campaign Savafra da Hanga Christmas Voice Competition Season 2 Rakhara Tarik Magada Matithang HKHS Ground Kazipung Hungpung Ukhrul District Li Sakida Laidale Rejoice Kaji Hina Tuikui Sada Christmas Voice Competition Ji Jum Yer Kongna Mukhok Migi Gijina Ngahanji Tarik Magada Matithang Zin Pung Tharuk Makhayana Hapokra Christmas Voice Competition Season 2 Khayui Lupa Saman Thing Magada Panga, Thing Trada Kani Gala, Thing Jishata Kare, Gakane, Gakatumali, Certificate and Soda Mira. Kangadai Shurukokui Psycho Relila, Christmas Gift, Nranmi Haidalagia. Ngahanju Ivang, Mushun Makui, Young Mabing, Udam M, Ashang Kapai, Gala, PC Angkang, Atumna Samira. Rani Jili Manipur Film Stars Kala Tangkhul Artist Ping La Christmas Voice Competition 2020 Li Khayuiva Reitim Nala Vazangra da Hangdalai Rani Jili Samuel Risom na Maso Kala Actor Kaiku Arkena Khayao Sada Vazangra Jia Christmas Voice Competition Season 2 Audition Tarik Magathang Sagidalaya Bharatiya Janata Party with Election Manifesto li Sangsa Khangai Yaruina Suggestion Milu the Chief Minister and Biren Singh nang hotale Rakhara Election Vivang BJP with Election Manifesto li Sangkhawai Yarui with Suggestion Box Aya CM na BJP State Unit President A Sharda Devi na JN Manipur Dance Academy li launch Samia Election Manifesto li Yaruina Sangsa Khangai ji Suggestion Box jili Sangmilu Maningaka Miyam ki Asha 2022@gmail.com ni Johora Milu da hanga Party we manifesto assembly yari we suggestions kwisang khareji BJP na da CM Piran na hanga hangdak lai BJP election manifesto we suggestion box ping jili districts zangda apam kajaja ngada daidali haimira jia Assembly segment kajira suggestion box tio makeup da gathum haimira gaji hangda BJP na yari li Mathamai Sheba Sakhawai Suggestion Kapona Kala State Raisang Haksang Khawai Constructive Suggestions Miluda CM na Hangsanga Political Parties Kibashi Khana Election Manifesto Assembly Yarui Suggestion Mapolak Ranga Gaji Hangda Saffron Party na Samira Gaji Saikor Masami Rangsalala NDA Shorkar na Samira Gaji Kaika Sami Hairada A Sharda Devi na Hanga Rani ji BJP Election Manifesto Committee na ngaran da BJP Election Spokesperson Manipur in charge Dr. Sambit Patra Retired Lieutenant General LN Singh Education Minister S Rajan Kala Election Manifesto Committee Member L Rameshwar Athumla Zanga Rakhara Manipur Legislative Assembly Elections li National People's Party NPP na maximum seats kuida single largest party khuyang sara gaji Tripura Chief Minister Yumnam Choi Kumar na hanga NPP we National Vice President la Sada Klaya Y Choi Kumar na Chanpur ji Oinam Assembly Constituency we intending candidate Irengbam Ongbi Nalini we Rania Khali kahangna Iroi Semba Manipur ngalaili How Kapoga National Political Party NPP hi Northeast Region Raisang Haksang Khawai Paradise Sayagji hi Choi Kumar na hanga Kala NPP hi ECI na recognize Sami Khai National Political Parties Chishadwi Ngajaili Akhana Gajila Hangsanga NPP na state we rijum nauli ngashikda otsada China Rungshing Khai Penganin Ling Sakra Gaji hi hanga Intending candidate Nalini na NPP we Regionalism Ningali Kamaya Pongshok the NPP na Northeast Bamli Regisang Hakasang Kwira Kawai Kamataya Ningrin Kalai Wivang Party Jili Vagazang na Jia Kala Ana Shinausan Wivang la Ningsanglagay na Otsara da hanga Rani Jili NPP Manipur we General Secretary Sheikh Nurul Hassan na kahang thaka Meitei Bangal SD Lees Li Sangmi Khawai Agenda NPP we Election Manifesto Li Zangrajia Election Sagida Khalai Kwa Uttarakhand Kalamanipur Li Candidates Kabang Khawai Congress na Screening Committees Semhaida Congress candidate Kapang Khawai Manipur Screening Panel with Chairman hi Jairam Ramesh Nasara Rajni Patil na Kwa Panel Than Kala Uttarakhand with Screening Panel ji Avinash Pandey na Thanra ji Ukhrul District Somdalik Lay Rijumhao Memorial High School Li Assistant Teacher we Otpam Hangdalay Otpam G MA BA English Kup Khai Now Ping Wivangna Kala Candidate G BEd La Kup Hai Saplungra Otpam G Experience Lake High Oja Ping Li Prefer Sara Appropriate Candidates Ping Wivang Salary Constrained Masamana Oddly Committed Kala Dedicated Salak High Candidate Ningkajangna Rijumhao Memorial High School Li Assistant Teacher we Otpam Hangdak Lejili Ningasang Naubingna Natumui resume Ajui Tarik Mukuya Lungli Misang Baira Natumui resume G email ID principal rmhs@gmail.com Li Miva Baira Kala WhatsApp number 8118-921961 Lila Jehovah Baira Short list Sakahai candidate Ping Li Worship Mushongai na Pao Mirasara India le kajam khangai chung sang mamanda rijum naung jaili lansin li mangrai chamai kap kaji most unequal countries li zangdale World Inequality Report 2022 we achishura India ngalai we machine jaili top 10% hina total national income 57% singdalai kala top 1% hina total national income 22% singdalai jia Kala lansin wazing wak zangdak lay mishing 50% na total national income 13% mang singa chia India li leidak lay karnao pingwing jaili langapai ungzangli yangaka average national income lupa 2,04,200 na leidalay jili bottom 50% na lupa 53,610 earn sa kala 10% na lupa 11,66,520 hi earn kasana Jiwi ka kladwa ot sada langpaida klay machine nga jaili adung makeup kaji akum thara hina kamadeli klay akum hangpanga bingchili magashi mataida earn sada klay na dahanga report china kahang ogathui wing lay bingli yangwalaga public wealth Kalayla suita haira public assets la wealth da hangda klehi shokarna yaru wivang lekami public buildings housing administrations worship arishang la public services higta hizanga public wealth suita laka private wealth kaja private me company na kasing chungmai haira jia India li private wealth hi 1980 kum 290% aina lake saje 2020 kum 560% kashung kahaina chia Manipur based outfit we kadre akhazangda insurgents mati Tripura Unakoti district we BSF authorities li surrender sahaira chia Surrender Sakhai Pingji National Liberation Front of Tripura NLFT gala kanglei Yawal Kanalup KYL we shibaina chia Athumui Kudlai BSF sector headquarters Pani Sagarli Misang Hairajia Border Security Force the Kahang Athishura surrender Sakhai NLFT insurgent Akhana Hangapat Aina militant Akha Aja Pai Gajang Thalai district li encounter Gasali BSF personnel Kanili Sadat Kahaili Zangajia Ayang Zinwi report Athishura Ukhrul district li COVID positive Miyahala Masambhangmana COVID second wave karahili Ukhrul district li Arui Rashungda COVID positive Samangkai Think Shajishat Hangjishat Dashini Kashung Kaina Arui Ukhrul district li COVID Kagaza Mi Mishing Mati Leida Leida TSO report na Jithemia Ladluida Kamdaya Baubing Tangkhul Naga along with President Guiru David K. Shimena Sahira Parliamentary Secretaries Ngapam Kuyada MLA Strada Kanili disqualify Sakavai Kaboje Governor na Mamiyami Tura Morning week Kakhanang Hapta Mayonda Kalejili Ima Tangkhul Hupvanalang Rumi Kwai DNL na Kayak Shiena Bodale Shirat Kami Janbao Samang Rumdaklaya Hopefully Sai Kangaya Simik Show Ngasa Seruno